Hereafter, you can add a poll stickers directly to YouTube Shorts video as an option for audiences to vote like this, and I can explain how to do that exactly. As of now, if you want to poll something on YouTube platform, you either need to go to the community tab or ask the audiences to comment on videos. But now, YouTube has made it easy by releasing a new feature called adding poll stickers on YouTube Shorts videos. So let me explain how you can exactly do it. First of all, go to YouTube app and upload the Shorts video, and finally select the tick mark like this. Now here, select the sticker option and choose poll from the menu. Add your question and two poll choices option in this box. Also, you can drag and resize the poll stickers wherever you want on the screen. The rest of the process is same as uploading Shorts videos. In addition to that, kindly take notes on the mentioned points. For the questions, you can add up to 3 lines, and for the answers, you can add a maximum of 2 lines for each choices. You can add only a maximum of 2 options for your audiences to vote. You can also view the percentages of votes for each options and the exact count of total votes in the poll. But you won't able to see who voted. Also make sure that only through mobile devices audiences can able to vote your Shorts videos, not from desktop. And that's it. This is how you can create a poll sticker for your YouTube Shorts video. As we know, YouTube Shorts are generally engaging and attract more audiences' attention. So this poll sticker feature add more spices to them. Use this feature to get more engagement with your audiences. Also make sure that either a private or unlisted YouTube Shorts videos are not eligible for poll. Kindly like this video if you are enjoying the content and it is valuable. Feel free to let me know any of your doubts or clarifications in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel and keep supporting us. Thank you.